Alright guys, so as you can see in the background, this is from a previous video. So this video is a part 3 of my game dev series, right? And it's a background, you can see we made leaderboard in the last video, right? We added the rolling system, we got roll, and we got the UI in, we got, the rolling mechanics, RNG, leaderboard, all that stuff done, like the coded. But in this video, I want to actually hire a real dev and see how they can fix up my game, right? Make the, trading system and all the complicated stuff, maybe even PvP if we get to it, right? The complicated stuff, because as you can see, AI has its limits, and I think I'm kind of hitting the limits here. So I want to get an actual dev to fix it. In the back, you kind of see like the game I was working on the last video. It was obviously a prototype, right? So, but in this video, we get a lot deeper into the game dev, and yeah, we'll see. So to find a dev, what I did was I went to the hidden dev Discord server, right? They have a lot of servers there to hire devs, and then you can also hire yourself to other people, right? You can sell out your game, all that stuff. I went to Fiverr and all that stuff, and I think the pricing there and everything didn't really match up with me. So I thought maybe I'll give the server a try, and well, I got into contact with this one guy called Tigers, right? So all I wanted was a basic Game Pass system, right? Because I want to see how that works, and I found this Tigers guy. He said it would be only like $5, which I thought was pretty fair price, right? So I gave him a shot, and I was like, okay, let me know when you work on it. I gave him access and stuff, all that stuff, right? And yeah, I mean, he's a pretty chill guy, honestly, really good guy. Different time zones, so it was pretty hard to work at the start, but he made something really good. And after he added the 2x speed game pass, I told him, can you change it to 2x speed instead? He did it very quickly, actually, very nice guy. And I told him, okay, can you add 2x luck game pass as well? I'll obviously pay you for that as well, right? Why not? Obviously, he's working for it, so yeah. And I think he's pretty good at scripting actually, because he did them very quickly. And now I'll show you this part of the game where he like made the 2 game passes. Alright, so everything might look different weird, don't worry about it. While the guy was working on the game passes, I worked on the map, right? I made some map, I made some, got some stuff to make the map, and also remade the leaderboard a little bit, right? I made it like look a little bit nicer. I got this from one of the toolbox, right? Because I wanted to get the model, and it was this. And this is one of the really good thing I got. It's like from I forgot who's it from, but it's not from me, of course. It's from a toolbox. I saw this from a YouTube. I was like, wait, I might get that in my game, right? I saw on YouTube like this is a really nice leaderboard system, and you can like donation board. It's like a donation board, right? And I was like, oh, that looks really cool. So credit to the guy who made it. I forgot who he was, but I saw this on YouTube. I was like, okay, I might get that, and then yeah, I was allowed to get that. And basically, what he did was 3x luck game pass, right? I already have it, of course, but it's 249 Robux, and there's also going to be a 2x roll game pass right here. I haven't added the UI for it just yet, but yeah, I mean, for now, you can see. Oh, as you can see, the UI have changed, and you will see why. You know how we had a Pokemon card idea? We changed that, and now it's a cartoon. Okay, so it's gonna be like cartoon trading card game, right? So it's like a bunch of cartoon characters as like cards, and you can see that's a normal roll, right? And that is auto. It's like the same speed, normal roll, right? But if you have the 3x game pass, you can. Oh, there's that. But if you have the 3x game pass. Sorry, not 3x game pass. What was it? 3x speed. Is it 3x luck? Wait, I think I messed up the UI a little bit. But you see how fast that is? Look how much faster that is compared to the normal one. Insanely fast, right? That's why. And also, the luck is active, as you can see right here. The luck boost is active. It's just the UI isn't there yet, but we do have a luck game pass already. And you can see it's already saying rarity luck is active. But you can see normal speed. It slows, right? Super slow. Fast. Boom. Boom, right? So yeah, I must still adjust this more, but for now this is what we got right now, and I think it's really nice. There is audio in the game, I just don't have it on right now. And yeah, we do end up changing the map later, by the way. We do end up changing the map later, so stay tuned for that. And of course, I sent them a payment right away as soon as I checked it, right? It's in pounds, so it's gonna be like a little less than $10, but yeah. Now, the next thing I wanted to do in the game was trading system, right? So I told him about the trading system, how it's gonna work, and he pretty much got it ready in, I believe, under a week. So I think that was pretty cool. And I think he charged me like $15 for this, which I think is pretty fair, since I mean, trading and the code is made by AI. Obviously, it's gonna be hella messy for him to like figure things out. So I thought it was valid. So yeah, this was probably like $15 I produced the trading, and he pretty much delivered it pretty well. And we had like more iteration, as you can see right here. And after a couple of, going back and forth, we kind of figured it out. I mean, he kind of figured it out, and he got this prototype ready, right? And I'll just show you guys in game in a bit what we finalized on. But for now, this is how we talk, right? He told me about how the system is working, what's going on, all that stuff. Very good guy. Gives you update all the time again. Super chill. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in game now. Alright, so now that we're in game, right, this is basically the prototype stuff we have for trading. So basically, I'm gonna trade myself right now because we actually enabled that just for testing. But if I trade myself, as you can see, boom, my card is in here. I put it in, and it doesn't show because it's my, obviously it's me. I'm like trading myself. But if I roll right, new card goes in, and I trade, and you can see the card is still here, right? So yeah, I mean that's what we got for trading. Very simple trading process. Just simple one, because you know I didn't want to like make a complicated trading system, not needed. So a simple one will work, right? But yeah, that's how it works, and I think that was pretty cool. Again, let me just show you guys a little bit. And you can trade other players, obviously that's the whole point. Boom, boom, and see, as you can see the new card is in here. And once you trade, I can't really test it right now. I'm just gonna play it. I could do it, but I feel that's too much work. But y'all get the idea, right? Y'all get the idea what I'm doing. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And again, the quick roll, that's the 3 times speed rolling. It's automatic, obviously, it's auto. And yeah, I think, yeah, this one still doesn't have this version, but, and I'll be back with you on the next part now. So now that we had 2 game passes already, I wanted to think about the free-to-play players, right? So the free-to-play players, I was adding a token shop. Basically, you can buy stuff that are almost as good as a game pass, maybe a little bit less as effective with in-game tokens. So how I was thinking was, like, as you can see right here in the token shop, I made a UI within. So basically, every roll you do, you get 1 token, right? And every token can add up, obviously, every time you roll. And with like 7,000 tokens, you can buy like maybe 2 times roll speed. So Game Pass is 3 times roll speed, right? But the actual in-game one is 2 times roll speed that you can get with in-game tokens. And they do stack. The Game Pass and in-game do stack, right? So if you get both, you are kind of balling. And basically, I added 2 times tokens, 2 times luck, 2 times roll in-game token passes, and I'll make a Game Pass version of all of them, and it's already there, where it's like gonna cost Robux for 3 times version, right? And they're all gonna stack with each other. And I added like card packs basically for like 30k tokens. You can buy a legendary pack, and that means you are guaranteed to get a 3 random legendary card out of the game. And there's a mythic one where it's like, I think the pricings are like all very placeholder right now. I'm gonna change them because they're not balanced right now. But for mythic one, it's like every however token it costs you spend, you can get like a random 3 mythic card guaranteed. And also, as you can see, there is a Robux version for the packs, because, well, I gotta get money somehow, right? So I made a little Robux way to get it. The Robux price is not finalized as well. It's not gonna be that super cheap. It's not gonna be super expensive. I'm gonna keep it balanced, hopefully. But if you have like suggestions, let me know in the comments, of course. And yeah, that's how I told him, and he said I can probably work on that. He's pretty busy with other stuff, but he'll get to it. All right, guys. So you might be like, why am I zoomed in and all that stuff? Well, I remade the map, I remade the leaderboard, all that stuff, and I added some new gigs in the game. And this is basically the final game that's right now. I'm still gonna update it, of course. I'm gonna add more UIs, more cards, more systems, more like, you know, rarities and all that stuff. But for now, this is what I've gotten to. Like, this is like the highest point I've gotten to in this game right now. This is like the very like most latest update that we have right now done, and I'm gonna show you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna try to hopefully get this game out. That's gonna be I'm gonna tell that in the next video. I'm gonna keep that a little bit, you know, inside with me right now. But basically, you can see the tokens right there on the bottom left. And if I scroll out, you can see this is the new map. I got this ship from, oh sorry, my bad. I got this from the Be Happy pack and stuff. So the map was already there. And I also added a little gig where it's like, you know, please donate. I got this from another YouTuber. He had a made one for people to use. I definitely took it from him. I mean, he says it's allowed, so yeah. But I'm gonna show this to you real quick. So I wanted to make like a please donate kind of thing where people can, you know, purchase their own, purchase other people's stuff. I'm still gonna fix the raised area because it's not counting. I gotta fix that a little bit. But for now, as you can see, leaderboard, I'm definitely not doing 5 million Robux. This is like just testing. So as you can see, if I go like 100k, like as you can see, I donate, and it says in the chat, and it's gonna update in like 60 seconds. It's gonna update the thing. All right. And that is Tiger right there, the dev who I hired. That's him. And yeah, so basically the leaderboard, as you can see, I got new models for them. I got that from another pack, of course. Like a lot of stuff are from packs because I'm again learning how to do so. Please don't hate on me. I mean, it's just how I did it. So I do have a lot of rules. I test my own game, of course. I do a lot of AFK rolling just to see how everything's working. And you can see highest rolls and most tokens. These two are permanent, they don't reset, but the time is server time. So every time you leave a server, this thing resets, your time resets. So this is for like newer players who just joined, or like everybody has a chance to get on the leaderboard, at least one of them, right? So I thought about that. I don't know if you guys like, let me know if you guys want me to make this a permanent time leaderboard, or like you want temporary ones. Just let me know, I will listen to you. But the main part of the token shop right now is boom. All right, so I'm gonna redo this UI because I don't like how boxy it looks. I'm gonna make it more round and more flexible. by the time the game comes out. But I already own all of this. But the packs right here. So I do have token, but I don't think I'm gonna use them right now because you know I want to grind my way to 100k tokens. I don't know why. I just feel like I'm doing that. But I'm gonna show you the Roblox side. As you can see, the cards you get from this are all like placeholder right now. I still gotta change it to the right rarities. But as you can see, boom, I get 3 cards, right? And those all go to my inventory. Random 3 cards. And I just gotta make it so it only picks legendary cards. I mean, it's already there. It only picks out of legendary cards, but the cards inside legendary, I haven't defined that yet. So I gotta define like what's legendary and what's not legendary. So the game knows what to give the players, right? Which is very, very simple, guys. 5 minutes thing, I just gotta, define it. And for the mythic, this is also again placeholder. Boom. Yeah. Okay, fine. I'll just show you the token as well. What about it? But as you can token, you can still get it too. And the inventory system, I think it looks neat for now. But these are some cards I was not gonna show y'all, but I guess it's already leaked. Whatever. We got Bimmy right now. We got SpongeBob, Peppa Pig. Oh, Peppo, sorry. Spongy, Peppo, Tommy, Benny, Wolvie, Griffin, Ricky, Leo, Doraemon, Steve. As you can see, these are different rarity cards. So these are gonna be like the commons, and then right here is like the uncommons right here, right? That's uncommon. That's uncommon. That's uncommon. That's uncommon. That's uncommon. And then this is one of the secret cards. I'm gonna see in the rarity. I'm gonna make it like 1 in a million, maybe 1 in 10 million. We'll see. And I'm gonna try to make a limit where you can only get 10 of these cards, 10 secrets per day. You can only unlock 10 secrets per day. Okay, so I'm gonna try to add that limit. And this is other cards. And the most rarest card we have right now is Sun Jin Woo. Sorry, Moon Drip, which is 1 in 10k. I wanted to add random gimmick, not just cartoons, right? And random gimmicks, but I'm gonna add like probably 200 more cards by the end of this month. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of card making because right now we only have 50 cards in the game, which is not enough in my opinion. And you can see when you click on let's say I click on Sun Jin Woo, he's like in the head now, right? It's a little glitchy right now. I'll try to fix this. But as you can see, we've gotten pretty far. And then again, the trading process, of course. Let me show you. There's bugs there's always bugs, of course, but I just gotta, fix it. As you can see, it's stretched a little bit, but yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there. And shop menu. See, I gotta make a new UI for the 3 times speed. But token shop, I love this part right here. I'm gonna add another pack probably. Just make like 3 packs, like a secret pack. You can only get with like a certain amount of special tokens or limited time packs. Like every 2 weeks, there's new limited packs with like 10 new cards every week. So that's gonna be fun. I have so much ideas that I want to get to, but I do want to get this game out as soon as possible by fixing the major bugs and stuff. Because I've been working on this game since January, and it's almost been 4 months, and I'm impatient now. But let me know anything you have in the comments, recommendation, anything. I'll listen to it all. If you have any hate on the game, say it nicely, please, because I put work into this game. I put my time and effort. So if you do have any hate towards the games, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to hopefully address it in the game and make sure you don't hate it anymore. But please support me, join my Discord to join the journey. And yeah, I mean, we've gotten pretty far. I'm gonna add like a shop building instead of this button as well. I'm gonna add shop building as well. And for now, this is what we have, guys. And here there's a roll. Let's see if we can see some cards. I might show you a little bit of rolling here so you can see like the cards we have. If I'm not this unlucky, that is. I do have 5 times luck right now because I do have the game pass on the token thing. But I think the game does not like me. Trust me, guys. I do have it. Right? Yeah, it is a triple double. Yeah, 5 times luck. As you can see, the token, they do go up. So since I have the game pass and the token from in-game, I have 6 times tokens because 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, right? So I multiply them. I don't add them. I feel like it's better if I multiply them so people get more value out of it, right? I want people to have the most value out of what they do. So it's 6 times tokens instead of 5 times because I want to multiply them. And I think same with the luck. I'm sorry, yeah, it's 6 times luck too. What am I doing? Yeah, I multiplied them so people get more value out of their stuff. But yeah. That's what also of course leaderboard, rolls, tokens, time, and donated. For donated one, it's not counting off this right now. It's only counting off the leaderboard right here. I'm gonna hopefully try to fix this. If not, I guess we'll just have the please donate stand as just like donation, not leaderboard. But I'm trying to definitely fix this as much as I can. But let me know if you guys have any suggestion, anything at all. This was a really fun project, and I'm in the next video. I'll definitely give you guys a release date. I promise to give you guys a release date next video. And next video, I'm hoping to get it out this month. But don't worry, the game should be out in the next I can't say it, but it's gonna be out soon. Please, please, please join my Discord to follow my journey along. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.